On this episode of No Kitchen Cooking, I'm going to show you how to make a White Castle burger at White Castle. Welcome to America's favorite slider place. The place where Harold and Kumar came when they got too high and got the munchies. White Castle. And today, I am going to be making a White Castle burger out of the bed of my pickup truck in their parking lot. Let's hope we don't get in a fist fight. The first step when you're making a White Castle burger is simply to test the competitor's food. Because their food is garbage, but it's wonderful at the same time. This place is such an amazing that we have to go through the drive-thru. We can't even go inside to get a burger and have the full experience.
Hello, welcome to White Castle. My name's Devin. Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Hey there, can I get 2 cheeseburger sliders, please?
2 cheeseburgers, and what else can I do for you? Yeah, and what else would you like?
That'd be all.
Alright, 2 cheeseburgers and a smoothie's gonna be $5.24. Thank you.
Thank you.
That southern accent will get you every time.
Yeah, he's just so nice. It makes me want to like this establishment again. I don't know what to do. I'm conflicted. First impressions, where's the beef? You know what I mean? Like, it is a slider, yeah, sure, whatever. Okay. Pretty sad, huh? See, they cut the holes in the burger to get the onions all in there, get that juicy savoriness. But that, I mean, it sucks. I mean, I love it. I feel like the only reason White Castle's still around is just because they became a classic. Because everybody knows after you eat White Castle, you're gonna A, have brown streaks in your pants, or B, have like a concrete block in your stomach. So yeah, we can do better than this. All right, we got our Walmart griddle. Look at that fit. All right, we're gonna get this side hot and this side warm, because this side's gonna do our bun. Once again, simple seasonings like always. We got our Tony's. How is there a pin hooked to my jacket? That's amazing. We got our Tony's and our garlic salt, because that's all you ever need in life. Literally all you ever need. These two right here. All right, so we got butter, beef, cheese, Hawaiian Kings rolls. These are the butter rolls. You don't really want to do a sweet roll, but if it's what you got, it's what you got. You know what I'm saying, G? All right, first things first, let's make our patty. Now, we're gonna do that much. Boom, that right there. That's all we're gonna need. Now, we wanna do our seasonings with it. Boom, 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 boom. Just shake it up, be generous. You don't wanna do just plain boring beef. That's boring. Homeboy's watching us close. Then we're gonna take this, boom, mix it up. Boom, mix it up. Boom. Easy cuts, easy cuts. Look at that. Throw the rest in here. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, that spot's prepped. Now, let's prep our skillet. We want to get a little bit of butter down here. You know, the White Castle people are watching us and they're like, what's that man doing? He knows our secret. And I do. Look at that. We're gonna have people come to my drive-thru, baby. Healthy, good, delicious. That's what we're going for here. All right, did I just use this knife on meat? Sure did. Sure did. Sure did. Now, boom, 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 Throw these guys on here. Get them going. We want that oniony taste, baby. All right, we're getting pretty close. Do I still have a spatula in here? Sure do. Look at that, upgrade.
That doesn't look like it came from the dollar store.
It didn't. It's still not a real expensive one, but it works. All right, so now that we got these guys just kind of doing their thing.
Looks a little excessively large.
It is. All right. Oops. Oh no, it's falling apart in our hands. There we go. A little bit of that. My meat's falling apart because I didn't let it set up, but that's okay. Now we're gonna do the bun. We want always toast our bun. As you guys know, presentation is key. So we're just gonna take a little bit of butter, blop it down here, boom. And then get that butter melted, put it right on top. That's what the people want. Look at that, toasted. That's a steak burger, baby. Boom. Boom. Ooh, that's burnt. Piece of cheese on there. And we need to cover it so that cheese will melt a little quicker without burning the burger. You want to do that. Otherwise, you'll set it on there and just keep cooking the burger, then it burns up. Ah, man, chilly out here. But we gotta do what we gotta do to bring you guys this stuff. If you can tell, I'm a little bit in a rush today because cops could be here any second. If they find out we're making White Castles at White Castle, it could be the end of my career. What? Yeah. Boom. All right, now approach. Boom. Slider. Bun. Boom. White Castle burger. Flip it open. There's nothing there. Let's go ahead, take a bite. Shit. The bun's good. I'm not gonna lie, the bun's good. Toasted to perfection. More meat. Way more meat. Look at that meat. That's discount meat. Cheesy goodness. Here we go. It's a real burger. Honestly, it kind of tastes like a steak burger. But slider. That is so much more flavor. You taste the onion in mine, you don't taste the onion in this. And also, you ain't gonna get gut rot from this because this hasn't sat on a griddle for 3 days. You guys know how I do things. Scored 1 out of 36. I'm gonna score White Castle first at 0. I'll give him 5 for novelty. But me, this slider here, I made better. 1 out of 36, 30.